It's hump day, day 3 of AirVenture 2024. I'm going to start off with the TIG welding workshop because I've always wanted to learn TIG ever since I found out that's how bicycles were made. As per usual, the workshop started with a lecture, which was followed by a lab or hands-on work. And the line was really long because they only had 4 stations. So I went shopping. I bought a few things in one of the giant hangars full of vendors and then headed back over to the TIG workshop. I still had to wait a while, but at least I had a new book to read. My turn was short, but I liked it. I think I could do well given some practice. I listened to a talk by Mike, Colleen, and Paul about pre-buys. The weather was fantastic for the 2 o'clock air show. I made a tactical error leaving to restock food supplies while thousands were backed up to get into the night air show. I eventually got back in and caught the end of it. The night show was stunning and included hundreds of drones to paint the sky. Well done, AirVenture.